Hello everyone and welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we're just continuing on in the book. There is a link down below if you would like to solve along with me, or you can also just search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission. Alright, so it looks like we're doing puzzle 54 today. And let's just start here with this box. Looks like all that we're missing is a 3. For this box, we're missing a 3 and a 5. There's a 3 here, so 5, 3. If we go back to this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're missing 6 and 9. There's a 5 there, so 6, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. There's an 8 there, so 4, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. That looks like we don't have any help there. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 1 there. So 3 and 1. We do this column, looks like we're missing a 2, a 4, and an 8. We've got a 2 there, so 4, 8, a 2 there, so 4, 8, and that means that our 2 has to be here. If we do this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 7, we've got a 7 there, so 4 and 7. For this row, it looks like we're missing a 2, a 5, and a 6. And we've got the 6 here. So 2, 5. Same here, 2, 5, which means our 6 has to be here. We look at this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 there. 4 and 8, so that means that our 6 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 3 and 4, and no help here, so 3, 4, 8. Work on this row here. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 there, so 8 or 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4 or 9. Let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing a 2, a 4, and a 9. We've got a 2 there. So 4, 9, so that means this has to be our 2. Finish out this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 8, and we have no help, so 3, 4, or 8. Let's see, let's do this column here. Looks like we're missing a 2, a 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 covering here, 2, so 5 or 9. This one's got the 8 and the 5, so 2 or 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 9. We've got the 2 and the 5 and the 4. So our 9 must be here. We come down here, we've got a 2 there, so 4 or 5, and we've got a 5 there, so 2 or 4. Let's work on this box. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here, and a 9 there, so this is our 3, and again we've got a 9 there, so 4, 9. that makes this our 4. And that would also make this our 5 and our 9 and our 2, 4, 3. And then this would be our 2 and our 5 and 8, 4, 8, 8, 4. All right. And then this would be our 3. So if we do this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 6, 8. For this box now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 7, 9. And that 7 means this is our 6, and this is our 7. Thank you for joining me again for today's puzzle. Please do like, subscribe, and hit that reminder bell. It does help the channel out. Share it with someone who you think might enjoy this content, and we will be back tomorrow with our next puzzle.